How we doing, everybody? Welcome back to Little Shop of Nightmares. Today we'll be working on one of the Slimline Pro kits for a lady, and we're going to use dogwood on it. Try to get little curves in there, see if we can show it off a little bit, make it a little flashy, and see what we come up with it. I don't know, it might be scrap wood time we're done, but we got us a little fire going, and we'll get a blank cut out and we'll get started making a pen. All right, we got our blank cut. We'll get her drilled. Yep, we got it drilled. Let me get these glued up and trimmed, and I'll bring you guys back on the lathe. All right, everybody, we got us over here, got us lined up, and I think we're ready to go. We'll find out. Oh yeah, look pretty good. I'm doing something a little different. Try something. It'll either work or it won't. If it don't, we'll just start again. Found me a little bitty wire. If we can, a little burn on it there. So if we can get enough groove to keep it in. This shit, yeah, that'll stand out. go. Now let's go on through the grits. 220 up here. And just at 400. All the way down. Give us a new piece. Oh yeah, we got all kinds of good color and everything in that. I like it. Got a little natural stain on it. Didn't hurt it none. May not help it, but it ain't gonna hurt it. Let that set for a minute. Blue towel over here and wipe it off. Alright, I'm just going to heat this up and flash it off. That's all I'm trying to do. We got it flashed. Let me find my tape. We'll get started on the finish. Let me bring you guys back in just a minute. All right, everybody, I'm back. I finally found a piece of tape. I want to try something that I saw on another channel called Drink Coffee Make Stuff. He subscribes here. He's a subscriber on this channel, but he had an interesting take on the CA finish, and I thought I might try it out. Let that dry for a minute. I don't think I'm going to have the same luck he did. I don't know, put a pretty good shine on it. It's rougher on a cob. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do something about that. But yeah. Let's see what we can do here. Got some ore off somewhere. I kind of like that. Finish ain't too thick, it ain't too heavy, it don't take away from the wood. That might work. I might start doing some more of those like that. Let me get this thing put together and I'll bring you guys back. All right, everybody, we got her put together and I think it come out pretty good myself. I'll try and get some better pictures. It's clouded up. We've got snow apocalypse coming, I reckon. I don't know the way they're talking. It's East Tennessee. It could get from a 1/2 inch to 4 feet to nothing but rain and wind. You never know till it starts. But anyway, so while it's somewhat warm today, I've got 2 more pins to make, and I'll go ahead and make the videos on those and get them uploaded. But if you guys have stuck around this long, thanks for your time and hanging out with me, putting up with me and all that good stuff. Well, we'll see y'all on the next one.